Come test drive the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.